Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for an easy crochet top partner? This sweater top is a simple 2-panel design that works up fast, drapes beautifully and is excellent for the beginners. For this project I use Eco Denim from Mondial. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box and a 4mm hook. Okay, now we're going to start with the foundation chain, and this foundation chain needs to be in multiple of 5 plus 3, so we do chain 73. Okay, now we do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from hook, then we do 1 double crochet in each chain across the row. Okay, now we have 71 double crochets and this is the first row of the pattern, so we need to work a set of 2 rows to complete the pattern. So now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we do 2 double crochets more in the same stitch. So now we skip the next 4 stitches, then we do 5 double crochets into the next one. Now we skip the next 4 stitches, then we do another set of 5 double crochets into the next one, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Now we skip the next 4 stitches, then we do 3 double crochets into the last one. All we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows, so let's repeat together one more time. First chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row. Now we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete this first row of the pattern. For the second row of the pattern, chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we do 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now we skip the next 4 stitches, then we do 5 double crochets all in the next one. skip the next 4 stitches, then we do another set of 5 double crochets and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Now we skip the next 4 stitches, then we do 3 double crochets into the 3rd chain. But now pay attention because I'm going to change color, so we do the last double crochet and we leave 2 loops on the hook. Cut the yarn, then insert the new color. I use this light green. You can find more information about the colors in the description box. I do a simple knot with the 2 ends of the 2 colors in this way, and all we have to do now is to repeat the 2 rows of the pattern. So first chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet, turn the work, then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row. All we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we reach the length about 35 centimeters or 14 inches. As you can see in this panel I've made before, I changed color every 4 rows of the pattern and I have a total of 28 rows. Okay, now I've made 7 stripes for a total of 28 rows, so now we are ready to insert the color for the upper part, so grab the red yarn. And now we do 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row for a total of 9 rows. Pay attention, I will do 5 rows with red, 1 with light gray, and the last 3 rows with the red again. Okay, now my rectangle is done, and before proceeding, cut the yarn, then weave all the ends inside the garment using a tapestry needle. Okay, here we have the two panels. Now let's take the shoulder measurement. We place a marker to the top about 12 centimeters from the corner, and of course do the same on the other side. Now let's take the measurement of the armhole. On the left side, I place a marker about 18 centimeters from the corner. Then, of course, do the same on the other side. Now grab a tapestry needle, then we sew all of this part. Okay, now grab the red yarn and insert it. We are going to do a simple round of single crochet. So now chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet all the way around. Join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now I have 60 single crochets. Remember to have the same number on the other side. So now we are going to create a nice ruffle finish, and to do this we do 5 double crochets in each stitch all around. So chain 3, then we do 4 double crochets more in the same stitch. So now we do 5 double crochets in the next stitch and in the following stitches. And of course join with a slip stitch into the third chain, and of course do the same on the other sleeve. And now our project is done and ready to wear. This is a great project for spring and summer season, and with this 2-panel design is perfect for the beginners because works up fast and I used basic crochet stitches. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Agata summer top. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love.